We got Pumpkin and Peep. Where's Pumpkin? Where is she? Hey, Pumpkin.
She's in the corner.
Yep. Look at this beautiful topiary. What's the right word? What's the word for it's really beautiful? Lots of tropical plants. Got my coffee. And Peep is taking a bath. We got him the dog dish. Oh, Peep loves that dog dish. He's been using that since the days of Striker. We let him out, and he roams the
The
house.
dogs are like, what are you doing? Look at him.
The other dogs are like, why are you in my dish?
Wait, look at him. He's got a good lean going on, too.
He loves that. It's so nice out here. It's warm and bright. We got the birds out on the porch for the first time in a long time.
What's Peep doing, Stella?
He is so excited.
What's he doing? He's got his own dish, huh? That is not soup.
Bird soup.
Pumpkin's yelling at him. He's got his feet up sideways even. Soaking sideways. I don't know if you can see that.
No, he's excited.
He's completely sideways in that thing.
Good boy, Peep. You got a swimming pool. Peep's got a swimming pool. You guys ever seen a dove take a bath? Now you did. Wow, that's a lean Peep.
See? I told you he puts his feet out to the side.
That's a lean.
Look at his feet are out to the side. He's just floating there.
That's a lean, buddy. Wow. What a lean. Yeah, that feels good.
Stella is very confused right now.
Pumpkin, you want a bath? You want to... Yeah, she flipped the wing. Why don't we get her a tub too?
Okay.
Okay, cool.